Finally, Uber sending the assessment mail. If you see, this is the shortlisting mail, HDE1 position. Online assessment is there, and this is disqualification round, which is on 24th February. Hacker rank में होने वाला, and the timing will be, duration is 65 minutes and 8:30 to 9 PM. Assessment will be link will be shared on the 23rd of February 5 PM. तो अब यहाँ पे समझने वाली बात, ये कंपनी का नाम Uber है, which I already uploaded HDE. This is absolutely for 25 batch, ठीक है, and which is bulk mega hiring. You have to keep in mind, this is 25 batch. This is bulk mass opportunity, officially hiring. Package is very high. We can't say anything because Uber companies, we all know कि कितना package होता है, but there is shortlisting. So what to do? Already you have to put domain in resume. Technical domains you have to put HDLC, computer science fundamental you have to put. And one mega thing that this will give you the shortlisting mail, that you have to put DSA algorithm, but don't just put a DSA algorithm. Put basic bracket, put in bracket that basic keyword, ठीक है, ये ज़रूर करना. और अब यहाँ से कहाँ पर ये हायरिंग जो मैं ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर चुका हूँ, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. यू कैन चेक द ऊबर हायरिंग लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. गो एंड चेक आउट दैट लिंक and please fill this form. But already told you there is shortlisting, that you have to put these domain in resume, which I already told you, and complete this within time period, because stage 1 is this. If you clear stage 1, then there will be interview. And what type of level of coding question will be there? There's 2 coding, and keep in mind hacker rank में है, तो hacker rank के ही क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे लेवल होगा, ठीक है, जिसमें तुमको यहाँ पे मीडियम टू हाई लेवल होने वाले हैं. मीडियम टू हाई लेवल ऑफ क्वेश्चन विल बी देयर. सो यू हैव टू पुट ऑल दीज डोमेन रेज्यूमे एंड गेट द शॉर्टलिस्टिंग मेल. देन यू हैव टू पुट दीज domains which is mentioned here. So please apply it as soon as possible. Link in the description box. So global, SAP Global just announced a software engineering graduate program. This is bulk mass hiring just announced. If you scroll down, you can check that all fresher with BTech Computer Science IT official hiring है, बता रहा हूँ जो मैं. BTech in Computer Science IT software engineering is eligible, passing year 2026 batch, communication again coding DSA algorithm is eligible. All interpersonal skill you have to put in resume, and these databases also. But if you read the responsibilities part, that this is graduate program participant, and one more thing, that explore various domain is there, like data analytics, software development, data science. There is multiple domains, and put all these domain which is written here, because this is the common domain you have to add for all roles. Like even you apply for software development or data analytics or data science, put all these common domains plus industrial domain of these specific domains. Like suppose data science है तो AI ML NLP Python Pandas libraries, these are compulsory. So please apply it as soon as possible, and this is the bulk opportunity. Click on apply, but before that you have to update your resume. First update your resume, then apply it. So Bureau just announced HDE software development internship, and if you see that fundamental, again देखो कितनी सारी चीज़ें एक जैसी हो रही हैं. देखो यहाँ पे like at least one backend language is compulsory, DS algorithm, again object oriented API database, GitHub, and these interpersonal skills. So what you have to do, just put all these domain and put these lines in project section. And one more thing, that this is a hands-on high ownership, a role ideal for someone who wants a real startup exposure. Now one more thing, full-time opportunity है, Bangalore location will be there, and this is the mass hiring. This is not a normal opportunity. If you see, already hiring process is out, talent discovery, skill assessment, culture alignment, then here you get to see the offer letter. So this is the perk and benefit. You have to click on apply for this job, click on application, fill this form, and you can easily see only one thing is written, like your resume, and you have to give here yes, that's it, because this is 6-month internship. After that PPO is there. Give your updated resume, get the shortlisting mail. द थिंग इज, जैसे तुमको यहाँ पे ऊबर की तरफ से असेसमेंट मिला है, वैसे ही तुमको ब्यूरो की तरफ से बहुत जल्दी असेसमेंट मिलने वाला है. द थिंग इज व्हाट यू आर पुटिंग इन रेज्यूमे, लाइक इफ यू आर पुटिंग ऑल दीज डोमेन plus your projects, then you are good to go. You get the shortlisting mail very soon, because package is very high. Hiring process will be there. Apply it as soon as possible. What you have to do, just give your updated resume and click on yes, that's it. So Autodesk career just announced HDE internship full time hiring, and yesterday they posted, because tomorrow they posted, it means that today is the last date, and Bangalore location is there. If you scroll down, 0 to 2 year of experience is needed in BTech Computer Science IT software engineering, software development, scripting or automation engineering. considering multiple role is there. And one more thing, foundation to intermediate proficiency in Python. If you having basic knowledge in Python, you can easily apply because 0 to 2 year of experience is needed. Now the thing is JSON, YAML or configuration files you have to put in resume. Workflow based automation platform like N8N, ये नॉर्मल चीज़ें हैं ऐड करना ज़रूरी है इवन इफ़ यू नो बेसिक. नाउ द थिंग इज यू हैव टू पुट ऑल इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स विद कम्युनिकेशन, रिटन, वर्बल और इंग्लिश. व्हाट you are doing, just you have to apply, but before apply you have to update your resume. These are mandatory domains which is written here, and the thing is these are not normal hiring, these are mass opportunities. Here you will get to see the shortlisting mail very soon, which I will upload very soon also. So what you have to do, just put all these domain which is mentioned here and Bureau and SAP Global, apply it as soon as possible. Like this video, do subscribe my channel. If you are not getting this shortlisting mail, then there will be the problem with your resume, not with hiring. But what you have to do, first check it's open or not, because I already uploaded. If you not applied, it's your fault. What you have to do subscribe my channel, like this video and please बेल आइकन को ऑल पे करके रखो. व्हाट्सअप टेलीग्राम ज्वाइन करो ताकि ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी जब आए तो तुरंत अप्लाई करो एंड टेक द असेसमेंट. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.